Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Botany with Purpose. Today we are going to learn about neem, one of the most useful medicinal trees in the world. Its scientific name is Azadirachta indica and it is also known as the village pharmacy because almost every part of this tree is useful. Introduction. Neem has been used in traditional medicines for thousands of years. People use its leaves, bark, seeds, flowers, and oil for many different purposes. It is famous because it helps keep people healthy and also protects plants from insects. That is why neem is considered one of nature's greatest gifts. Scientific classification. Now let's look at the scientific classification of neem. Neem belongs to the plant kingdom. Its family is Meliaceae and its genus is Azadirachta. Scientific name of neem is Azadirachta indica. Scientists use this classification to identify plants correctly and study their relationships. Characteristics. Neem is a large evergreen tree, which means it stays green throughout the year. It can grow up to 20 to 30 meters tall. Its leaves are green, long, and have a bitter taste. The flowers are small, white, and have a pleasant smell. The fruits are oval and yellow-green when ripe. Neem also has deep and strong roots, which help it survive in dry areas. Habitat and distribution. Neem grows best in warm tropical and subtropical regions. It is native to the Indian subcontinent and is commonly found in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. This tree can survive in hot weather and even in places with very little rainfall. Because of this, neem is often planted in dry areas. Health benefits. Neem offers many health benefits. It is good for the skin and may help reduce acne and other skin problems. Neem supports oral hygiene and is used in many toothpaste. It has antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory properties that help keep the body healthy. It also helps to boost the immune system and protect the body from harmful germs. Uses and medicinal applications. Neem is used in many ways in daily life. It is an important part of traditional medicines. Neem oil is used for skin and hair care. Neem paste is applied to small wounds. In agriculture, neem is used as a natural pesticide to protect crops from harmful insects without damaging the environment. Interesting facts. Now let's look at some interesting facts about neem. Neem is called the village pharmacy because almost every part of the tree has medicinal value. A neem tree can live for more than 150 years. It is a very strong tree that can survive in harsh conditions with little water. Neem also helps improve soil quality and keeps the environment clean. This amazing quality makes neem one of the most valuable trees in nature. Side effects and precautions. Although neem has many benefits, it should always be used carefully. Using too much neem may cause stomach problem. Neem oil should not be taken by mouth unless advised by a doctor. People may have allergic reactions, so it is always best to use neem in the right amount. Conclusion. In conclusion, neem is a wonderful gift of nature. It is valuable for our health, agriculture, and the environment. Almost every part of this tree is useful. If we use them wisely and responsibly, it can help us live healthier lives while also protecting nature. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this presentation, please like, share, subscribe to Botany with Purpose for more educational videos. See you in the next video.